Hello folks, in this video we're going to see how we can add facial expressions to our avatar. First you need to, as usual, select an avatar. Here we have Kevin, and then we actually move a little further to see the face more clearly. And on the right side you can select an animation, and here on the facial part you can choose face puppet, and then another window opens here. So here you can have different movement in the different part of the face. You can have control over lips, jaw, and different parts, eyes for example. On the top you can see you can actually determine how the auto blink works. It can be normal, nervous, speechless, charming, or others. I just leave it as normal. And in here you can see that eyes are already selected, and if you double click on them it deselects the eyes. And let's select the eyes to see. If you actually right click on the eye it will be selected, and then let's select lip as well. And in here there's two options, preview and record. If you select preview you can preview the changes that you're going to make, and it is not going to be recorded. And if you select record, it is actually going to record the changes you are going to make. So first it's better to click on preview to actually see how the changes is going to be applied on the avatar. So I click on preview. Here it says press space key to preview. So I hit space, and if I move the mouse you can see that the actually face is changing by my movement. Okay? You can see the eyes are changing and the lip is changing. Okay, and again click on space tab. So let's select, for example, here let's select jaw neck, and then if I click on preview you can see that the jaw is moving. So let's record a couple of seconds. For example, if I select again the eyes and deselect the jaw and click on record and hit space, I'm moving the mouse and the face is moving, the eyes and lips are moving. And then if I click on space key again, the animation is recorded. I close this tab and then press F3, and then I move the cursor at the beginning. So if I play, you can see that the face is actually showing those changes that we made.